What's the meaning of advertiser? Advertiser. 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 The term advertiser refers to an individual or company that promotes and sells products or services through various channels such as television, print media, radio, online advertising, and more. Advertisers are responsible for creating effective marketing campaigns that reach the target audience and persuade them to take action. They use a variety of tactics and strategies to attract new customers and retain existing ones, ultimately driving sales and generating revenue for the business. As a key component of the advertising industry, advertisers are critical to the success of many businesses across a range of industries.